Fuck they at? Where everybody at? Where the hustlers at? They scared of this shit here. This shit remind me of 1996, nigga. Fuck out of there. I made so much money in that shit on Newkirk Street, nigga. Me and McGirt, nigga. Fuck you talking about? Me and McGirt was in the trap house weeks straight, nigga. Money all on the floor everywhere, man. Sold down there $50,000 worth of shit. Shit was whamming. Real shit. This that weather. These niggas scared of this shit. Niggas ain't no real hustlers. They don't know nothing about this shit. Niggas be scared to get money in this shit. It's that 1996 shit. Yeah, this that 1996 shit. They don't know nothing about this shit. Know what I mean?